This is the 2009 Scion XB. This is the second generation update from 2007 to 2015 production range. What made the 2009 different from the previous year was pretty much just the color, and that was the RS 6.0 with absolutely red. And only 2,500 of these units were produced. Toyota reached out to customers to determine what they wanted from the next generation of the XB. And it simply came down to a more powerful engine and a larger body. It only came in two transmission options, one being the 4-speed automatic and a 5-speed manual transmission. And it only came in one powertrain option, which was a 2.4-liter i4 that produced 158 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque. And that brought the fuel economy to 22 city, 34 highway, and 28 combined. So this was shared with Toyota's 2AZ-FE engine that could also be found in the Scion TC, the first generation one, and the Toyota Camry. And this was a substantial upgrade compared to the first generation XB, which only had a 1.5-liter i4 that only produced 108 horsepower with 105 pound-feet of torque. And comparing that to the first generation Scion XB, this of course had a huge upgrade in terms of size. Compared to the first generation, this was 2.8 inches wider, 12 inches longer, including the wheel-to-wheel measurements being 4 inches longer, and this added over 600 pounds of weight. And there was improved egress and ingress of the vehicle because of its improved size. And this offers 21.7 cubic feet for all passengers, and I think personally that that is perfect for a small family of 4. And when the rear seats are folded 60-40 splits, you get an additional 69.9 cubic feet of space, which is really nice in a vehicle of this size. Now getting into the back seat of the vehicle, going behind the passenger area, and I'm 5'8", and I'm sitting relatively the same of my driving position here, and there's plenty of room here and also plenty of headspace. Very comfortable here, but there's no center armrest, and the only thing that pulls out here is the cup holders. However, for anyone that is taller than me, there's plenty of headspace here, about additional 10 inches I would say. For the vehicle of this size, it's pretty spacious back here, especially for long trips. I wouldn't have any issues back here. Coming up to the front of the vehicle, you have these lamp clusters that wrap around from the front all the way into the side with these low projector beams. And you also have these LED turn signals in the side mirrors here. The only small con to this design would be the wide pillars in the back end, creating a bit of a blind spot for some people that may not like that. This only came in one trim level, and that was the base model. And this made the car particularly attractive for the price and the customization that you're able to do with this. And it came with additional features including air conditioning, cruise control, keyless remote entry, and a stock Pioneer audio system equipped with 6 speakers, traction controls, and a first aid kit. And not to mention a spare tire in the back. And you can see underneath it comes with a jack and the stereo headphones. And underneath that, you have the spare tire. This car has over 211,000 miles. And with it being on the market today, you could probably find something like this for around $4,500. And it's still working in decent shape. But with anything that has over 100,000 miles on the XB, you could probably find this for under $10,000. If you're cross-shopping for vehicles as old as this, there are a few considerations, like the popular 2009 Kia Soul for its style and comfort, the 2009 Honda Element for a reliable option, and a 2009 Volkswagen Golf for its fun driving dynamics. Other than that, this is a solid option when considering a vehicle of this class. The engine that this comes equipped with has been proven to go over 400,000 miles, although one of the major drawbacks of it is the oil consumption. The piston ring design leaves a large gap, enough for the oil to seep through into the combustion chambers. But to hopefully reduce this issue, you can do shorter oil change intervals, ensuring high quality oil to reduce consumption. Give it heavier oil weights like 5 or 10 W30, making it harder to pass through piston rings, and avoid excessive engine idling, especially on a cold engine. Let's take this for a spin and see how it drives. Because of its boxy figure, it does have a comfortable riding seating position. It's not as tall as an SUV. In fact, it's about the same ride height as a Toyota Camry. But it does have added egress and ingress. Let's see how good the turn radius is. And it does deliver a tight turn. Very easy. Now the steering wheel is only tilt, but not telescoping. Try it out in 0 to 60. It's not bad power. Certainly not the best. Overall, I think this vehicle is a decent package, especially for this class. And especially for something that you could find for under $10,000. Although it wouldn't be my first choice, I would consider other options in this rank as well. Let me know in the comment section about the favorite thing that you like about this car, or the one thing that you dislike about it the most. And while you're in the comment section, be sure to let me know what you want to see next. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.